Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dividend reinvestment on Fidelity. So first thing you need to do is open a Fidelity website and then log in using your username and password. And after this, navigate to the accounts and trade option. And after this, select account positions to view your holdings. Once you click on that, on step 3 you need to open dividend and capital gains preferences. So to open it, simply click on dividend and capital gains option under the account position page or the setting gear next to reinvestment column, and then you need to scroll down to find dividend and capital gains section. You will see a list of eligible securities you hold, so simply select the checkbox next to stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or which you want to enable dividend reinvestment. After selecting your investment, simply click on update or continue button, and then you will receive a confirmation message once your preferences are saved. And then just go back to account position page and confirm that reinvestment status now show as reinvest for relevant securities. So that's how you can enable dividend reinvestment on Fidelity. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.